CarbonKerma is a blockchain-based carbon credit marketplace. Each ton of CO2 sequestered is represented by a digital asset, CKT. We have created an intuitive and easy-to-use interface so that anyone can interact with the blockchain without having to know the ins and outs of the technology. Once you have created an account with CarbonKerma, you will need to do two things: select user type and go through the identity verification process called KYC, Know Your Customer, or KYB, Know Your Business. Commercial buyers will need to undergo KYB, while consumer-level buyers will have to go through the KYC process. These steps help keep our platform safe and compliant. Do note that the KYB process will involve a $200 processing fee. This is a fee we need to pay our identity verification providers, but we will refund it in the form of CKT tokens after your first purchase of at least $200 worth of CKT. The dashboard can be used in Basic or Advanced mode. By default, it opens in Basic mode. For those unfamiliar with blockchain and who don't have a MetaMask wallet, we recommend using that default as your interface. You might notice that CarbonKerma already created a blockchain wallet for you when you created your account. It is your account address number, which you can see on the Account Overview page. There is a three-step process to offset your emissions. You'll first need to move funds into your account, then buy CKT, and then offset your emissions. Let's go through them one by one. To fund your wallet, you will need to copy your account address number and send USDC, USDT, or DAI to it from your preferred exchange. In future versions, we will be adding more traditional payment methods, but for now, all you will need to do is buy a digital currency on an exchange of your choice. We accept USDC, USDT, and DAI. These digital currencies are stable coins and are all equivalent to $1 each. If you know how many tons of CO2 you want to offset or how many CKT you want to buy, we have provided a calculator for you to work out exactly how much money to deposit. Remember to choose the Polygon Matic network to send your funds, and ensure you have enough money to cover any exchange fees and Polygon network fees as applicable. Once your wallet has been funded, head over to the Purchase CKT tab. This is where you will buy CKT with your stablecoin of choice. The blockchain transaction will take a few seconds, and then back in Account Overview, you will see your balance of CKT tokens. Some commercial buyers may prefer to use Circle's regulated business accounts to fund their wallets. This way, you will be sending money to Circle in return for USDC. Click USDC Business and follow the steps on Circle's website. Once you have CKT, in order to offset your emissions, simply retire your tokens. Click Offset Carbon and enter the amount of CKT you wish to retire. Remember, 1 CKT equals 1 metric ton of permanently sequestered CO2. There is a 7% platform fee applied, which can be paid in CKT or your stablecoin. The Polygon transaction fees are covered by CarbonKerma as a courtesy. Retired CKT tokens are destroyed forever, never to be traded again. This is the critical last step to offsetting your emissions. Click the amount of CKT you wish to retire, select whether you want to pay the platform fees in CKT or your stablecoin, and type Offset in the field to the bottom right. Hit Continue. You will then be asked to approve the transaction as it cannot be reversed. Once you have done that, you have successfully offset your emissions and generated a carbon offset certificate. Back in Account Overview, you will see your carbon offset certificates, which you can download in PDF format and also view on the blockchain. You'll also see your unique carbon tags, which identify precisely where the CO2 that was sequestered in order to offset your emissions has been sunk. We hope you found these instructions useful. Remember, at any point, we are always here to help. Just reach out at info@carbonkerma.com and we'll be happy to provide whatever support you need. CarbonKerma, minted for good.